हे दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप? मेरा नाम है सी सिद्धेश और आप देख रहे हैं द मनी वैल्यू। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, वन रिक्वेस्ट, इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब। टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, प्लीज प्रेस द बेल आइकन। तो दोस्तों, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं ATGG ऑफ इनकम टैक्स एक्ट, सेक्शन ATGG ऑफ इनकम टैक्स एक्ट। बेसिकली ATGG इज डेडिकेटेड टू द रेंट डिडक्शन। सपोज आपको आप सैलरी और सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड है और आपको रेंट HRA जो कि नॉर्मली सैलरी का पार्ट होता है वो नहीं है, उस केस में ATGG पिक्चर में आता है। You remember, you cannot claim ATGG along with any other section of related to the house property. I mean, section 24B or section 10 in case of interest. You cannot claim that along with section ATGG. So let's start one by one. To whom ATGG is applied? Who can claim a deduction under section ATGG? Any self-employed person who has not received house rent allowance and has not received HRA at any time during the financial year which relates to the assessment year. तो इसका मतलब who is not eligible? So let's see the definition of non-eligible person. So non-eligible person are the person or spouse or HUF or minor of the person owned house property in the same city. अगर आप कोई house property own करते हैं same city या किसी और जगह पे भी, okay, if you're owning a same house property in the same city, you're not eligible. If you're owning a house property in any other city and you're claiming a deduction under self occupied property under section 24B, then you're not eligible. What if employee gets the HRA? So हमें यह समझने की ज़रूरत है यहाँ पे HRA और ATG ये दो अलग अलग सेक्शन है. You cannot claim both deduction at the same time. अगर आपको HRA मिलता है तो you should claim deduction under HRA only, because see, the HRA, the limit of HRA is depend on your salary. Somebody who have 10 lakh salary and on an average 40% is HRA, so that amount will be considered 4 lakh. Someone have 20 lakh salary, the amount will be 8 lakh. That way HRA amount is get decided. But the deduction under HRA, there is 3 basic conditions to claim deduction under HRA. Your actual HRA received 50% basic salary plus DA. In metro, in non-metro is a 40%, or actual rent paid less 10% of basic salary. So in तीनों में से जो भी कम वाला आएगा, that will be counted as a deduction. Then what is the maximum amount that can be claimed under ATG of Income Tax Act? ATG के अंदर आपको ये देखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको कितना उसका बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. सो हियर यू गो. ATG के अंदर आप मैक्सिमम लिस्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अमाउंट्स क्लेम कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट इज टोटल रेंट पेड लेस 10% ऑफ अ बेसिक. हम लोग ये एग्जाम्पल के द्वारा देखेंगे नेक्स्ट. The second 60,000 per annum, which is 5,000 per month, or 25% adjustable gross total income. Why I say the adjustable gross total income? Because it exclude some of a capital gain and all that. So 25% of gross total income. Let's see how it is calculated. ATGG. Akash earns 6 lakh per year. After all deduction, we will considering this is a gross total income GTI, which is जो यहाँ पे बोला गया था. So Akash earns 6 lakh per annum. He didn't receive any HRA. Annual rent paid by him is 1.7 lakh. In this case, what is the first limit? Monthly rental income. Condition 1 is monthly 5,000, which is 60,000 per annum. This is 60,000 per annum. Now let's see the next is the rent paid. What is his rent paid? Is 1.7 lakh. Now what we said over here, total rent paid less 10% of basic salary. So assume his salary is again 6 lakh only. So rent paid 1.7 lakh less 60,000, 10% of annual income is equal to 1.10 lakh. The third is 25% of total income, which is 1.5. In all this, whichever is lower, मैक्सिमम 60,000. सी इन ऑल कंडीशन ना, अगर आप कभी भी 60,000 के ऊपर रेंट दे रहे हो तो योर एनीवेज द लिमिट विल बी 60,000 ओनली. एग्जांपल 2, say Amish on 4 lakhs annually, he stays at a rented accommodation. He's getting house rent allowance. He's not getting house rent allowance. Amish pays 7,000 per month as a rent for his house, and the annual rent being paid is 84,000. I mean 7 into 12. In this case, what would be the fund? So following condition 1, monthly rental income 5,000, 60,000 per annum, right? You are 60,000 per annum. Second, rent paid 84,000 less 40,000 is 4 lakh into 10%, less 4 is 44,000. Third, 25% of gross total income, 4 lakh का 25%, 1 lakh. So therefore Amish is 44,000. अगर आप देखोगे in above case, again it's only 44,000. So it's really important to understand ATGG is not that much useful, just like a 60,000. But yeah, if people are not getting any kind of HRA, for them, yeah, it's really helpful. Again, in India, most people own the house and they prefer to claim under section 24B for owning a house property, self-occupied property. What form needs to fill? Of course, we need to declare under section 10BE, then 10BA form. There is a form 10BA which you need to fill. उसमें बहुत simple होता है, आपका नाम, आपका full address, residential tenure, then mode of payment. अगर आपके ने 1 लाख के ऊपर लिया है तो landlord का plan भी mandatory है. So this is sufficient. I mean, this is enough. I think you must get an idea how to claim ATGG deduction. So if you like the video, please subscribe, share, and like it, and subscribe the channel.